Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna show you guys how to go from this to this. So I am loving my perm bride set. It came out so pretty this time, and I'm only excited because they never come out pretty. And I think it only is because my hair is typically soaking wet when I've done it. And somebody gave me a tip, I can't remember who it was, that my type of hair, it may need to be a little bit dry before I roll them up. So that's what I did. My roots were a little bit dry, but my ends were wet. So it actually came out perfect this time, and I'm so loving it. And the products that I've used was the Novex new collection, Mystique Black. This is their hair mask. Oh, it smells so freaking good. Like, it smells like candy. I feel like I want to lick it. But anyway, so they sent me this, and I honestly believe that this hair mask may have brought my curls back to life, because I straightened my hair about 2 weeks ago, and I was so nervous to wash it again because I'm like, this one time I used a flat iron, my curls might not come back, because it was super straight, like super straight, and my hair never really gets super straight like that. But again, I used their keratin product to do it, so maybe that was it. Maybe that was, yeah, their keratin, yeah, heat protection. Maybe that's why my hair curled right back up, or it could have been the mask. Either way, I love it. It brought back my shine and everything. And I like the fact that I could still run my fingers through my hair, because a lot of times when I use products, like the curls are like still, what's the word I'm looking for, like I guess tangled, like where I can't like do this at all. So yes, I'm loving it. They're so bouncy and so pretty. And that is it, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will respond to you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.
Baby, just listen. One more time's up. I know I did wrong. I know I messed up. Here's my confession. I'm tired of you stressing, 'cause I know I did you wrong. Could you just say yeah? Could you just say yeah, girl? Okay, I know I did you wrong. I know, but let me spill my heart out. I usually keep it pimping, but they might just pull my card out. Times getting hard now. You done let your guard down. I know I messed up. I'm starting to hear it from my boys now. And if you take your love away from me, I'll go crazy. And your homegirls hating, trying to see ya, but me without you like spelling tiny without T.I. Baby, just listen. When my time's up, I know I did wrong. I know I messed up. Here's my confession. I'm tired of you stressing, 'cause I know I done you wrong. Just say yeah, say yeah, girl. Don't try to flex, you knew the deal from the start. No crib, no car, but I'ma be your star, so why you tripping? You slipping, always think I'm running game. You knew I kept it pimping before you know the name, and it's a shame. All that time wastable, baby, just have patience. I promise you won't be waiting. I put in work to make it work, but I ain't working for free. And you can find another guy, but he ain't fucking with me. Let's keep it real. Baby, just listen. I know I did wrong. I know I messed up. Here's my confession. I'm tired of you stressing. I know.
Don't you worry, cause you know that I got you. To be for real, I couldn't be here without you. I know you really wanna be my girl. We taking trips, we all around the world. It's not the fact that we can't live right now. It's just a lot that's on my plate right now. And you're tired of me lying, so I got right, cause I hate to see you cry, girl.
I hate to see you cry, girl. Baby, just listen. I know I did wrong.